Okay, question 12. The minimum value of the function x to the power 4 minus p squared x squared is negative 9. P is a real number. Find the minimum value of the function x squared minus px plus 6. Okay, so what's our first job? Our first job is to figure out the value of p. Okay, so we know the minimum of that quartic up there is negative 9. So what can we do? Have a think. So you see the quartic only has, x to the power 4 terms and x squared term. Yeah. So basically you could treat it as a quadratic in the sky, we say. Yeah. So we treat it as a quadratic in x squared. So then we can complete the square. Yeah. So let's do that. So how do we complete the square? For this guy, you go x squared minus how many? So again, the coefficient of the coefficient b, yeah, divided by 2. So negative p squared divided by 2. This guy. Yeah, and of course we have to compensate, so minus p to the power 4 over 4. Yeah, so so good. And then how do we read off the minimum value? Well, the minimum value is just the guy outside the bracket, right? This guy. So we know that negative p to the power 4 over 4 equals negative 9. Great, so we just have to solve an equation now. So this is p to the power 4 equals negative 9 times negative 4, which is 36. So it's clear that p is what is this? Plus or minus, I think, square root of 6. Yeah, plus or minus square root of 6. I think it doesn't affect the final answer. Yeah, so you could take either. Good. Okay, so we want to find the minimum of x squared minus square root of 6x plus 6. Okay, so again, minimum, right? Complete the square. X minus square root of 6 over 2. Again, just divide the coefficient by 2. This guy squared. Okay, so what do I get when I square this? I get 6 over 4, right, which is 3 halves. So what do I need to get to 6? I need plus 6 at the end, right? But now I only have plus 3 halves. So I need 9 halves, yeah, plus 9 halves. Good. Okay, so again, how do I read the minimum? It's just the number outside the bracket, yeah? So the minimum of the quadratic is 9 halves. Okay, so final answer is E.